Ever wondered how your smartphone knows your face, or how smart speakers understand your commands? Curious about the magic behind these everyday gadgets? In this video, we're uncovering how AI is transforming the gadgets we use daily. Stay tuned to find out how these tech marvels work and how they're making our lives easier. AI is all around us, making our everyday gadgets smarter and more intuitive. Let's start with smartphones. Ever noticed how your phone's camera can automatically enhance your photos? That's AI in action. AI algorithms analyze images, adjust colors, and even recognize faces to make sure your photos look great every time. Moving on to smart speakers like Alexa or Google Home, they're not just answering questions, they're learning from you. These devices use natural language processing, NLP, to understand your voice commands and improve their responses over time. The more you interact with them, the better they get at predicting your needs. Smart home devices are another example. AI-powered thermostats learn your schedule and adjust the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. Smart lights can even change color based on your mood or the time of day, all thanks to AI. And let's not forget about wearable tech. Fitness trackers and smartwatches use AI to analyze your activity and provide personalized health insights. They track your workouts, monitor your heart rate, and even remind you to stay active, all while learning about your habits and preferences. AI is also enhancing entertainment gadgets. Streaming services use AI to recommend shows and movies based on what you like. The more you watch, the better these recommendations become, helping you discover new favorites without lifting a finger. That's how AI is revolutionizing your everyday gadgets. From smarter smartphones to intuitive smart home devices, AI is making our tech more helpful and fun. If you're excited about these innovations and want to see more cool tech insights, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more awesome content.